Welcome to Careers 360. The National Testing Agency has declared the CUET UG 2023 result via online mode. Candidates can download the CUET 2023 scorecard by visiting the official website cuet.samarth.ac.in. Candidates who have appeared in the CUET exam can download the result by using their application number and password in the login window. CUET result is an important part in the admission process in various CUET participating colleges. Candidates should check out this video to know the step-by-step procedure on how to download the CUET result. Steps to download the CUET Scorecard 2023. Visit the official website of CUET UG cuet.samarth.ac.in. Select the sign-in option. Enter your application number, password and security code. Click on the login option. Find the option Download Print Scorecard. Download the scorecard and save it for future references. For more information, click on the link available in the description box below.